Hi guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're here. Hit the like button too because you know you're gonna like this video. And let's go ahead and jump into this haul. First things first, I went to Rite Aid and I picked up these new lashes by Kiss. I also got $1 off, so that makes it so much more worth it. I think I paid like $4, around $4 for these. So I'm gonna zoom it up so you guys can see it. These are their new MINK lashes. These are so beautiful and so fluffy. I could not resist getting these, guys. Like, I have been obsessed with fake eyelashes lately, even though I'm not wearing any in this video. I did not have time to put them on before I took an hour trip out of town to the bigger city. Ulta also, I only got drugstore items in Ulta and I was like, okay, let me go on the hunt for some of these products that I can't get where I actually live. This is the Catrice Prime and Fine water-based primer. I have been wanting to try this ever since I saw Zabrena do her video. I think it was a primer video or something. I've been wanting to try the water-based one from this brand ever since I saw that video, and she absolutely loved it. I'm sure I'm gonna love this too. I've been wanting another water-based primer that is cheaper and from the drugstore besides the Too Faced Hangover one, because that one is hella expensive. So the next thing that I picked up from Ulta is this guy right here, and this is the Essence Super Fine eyeliner pen. It has a tip like this. So I'm pretty excited to try this because I want to try to do a little bit more wing liner, get a little more used to it, especially since I'm branching out with my eyelash game. Might as well branch out with my eyeliner game. I also picked up the Maybelline eyeliner. This is their gel liner. This was like a cult favorite by everybody, and I figured I might as well try it because I had the L'Oreal one a couple years ago and I really disliked that one, so I figured I would pick up this one and see what all the hype is about. And I actually got this one a lot cheaper. The shelf said $5.99, so I got it for $5.99, and I had 20% off of the like drugstore type products at Ulta. So everything I got for an extra 20% off at Ulta, which was not bad. So I'm doing pretty good today with my savings. And I think I paid like $14 for all three products that I got at Ulta. So that is not bad at all. That is a heck of a deal. Then next I went to TJ Maxx and I found gold. I literally found gold, guys, at TJ Maxx. I could not believe what I found. And now I'm gonna let you know what I found. I found Bite Beauty at TJ Maxx. I'm actually wearing one of the shades. I'm wearing the shade in Tawny right now. They actually only had this little set. I got this for 20 bucks, guys. 20 bucks. All three of these Le Creme lipsticks, I know these are discontinued, but that is a heck of a deal. Like, that's $20 for 3 lipsticks when you pay over $20 for one of these, you know, or maybe not one of these now, but back when they came out, they were over $20. I think they were like $24. So that is an awesome deal. And the deals did not stop there. These right here I got also. These are their high pigment lip pencils. These are actually being sold at Sephora still right now for $10 each. Can you guess how much I paid for this? For 3. I paid $12.99, guys. $12.99 for 3 of these. And they were actually selling these individually for $6.99. So of course, what am I gonna grab? I'm gonna grab the set where it is 1 for free. So awesome, awesome finds at TJ Maxx. Oh, I'm not done. The last thing I found there was this little guy. And this was $3.99, guys. This is the little mini like concealer brush of the Bold Metals collection. I did a whole entire video comparing these to the eBay dupes, but this one hadn't came out yet. I don't know if this one is just not popular or what it is, but I really wanted to try this brush when it came out, but I had already just spent so much on the other ones and finding it at TJ Maxx for less than $4, or $4 I should say, is an awesome find, especially when these brushes are freaking expensive. Like, I don't know if they're gonna stop selling those because they did release new ones, but this was an awesome find, especially considering I really did want to try this because I actually did like the foundation triangular brush that was bigger. Alright guys, so I hope you really enjoyed my haul. Go and definitely check out your TJ Maxx and tell me down below what you have found at your TJ Maxx, because I was freaking shocked, especially finding Bite Beauty products at TJ Maxx. Like, who would have thought of that? I've heard a lot of people saying they found Too Faced. I know that there was MAC and Anastasia there at my local TJ Maxx, but it was like $30 for a set of MAC stuff in it. And it came with like blush and eyeshadows and a lipstick. So it really was a good deal, but it just wasn't something that like I was like, I need this. When I saw these Bite Beauty products, I was like, I need this. So that is the end of this haul, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it, and until next time, bye guys.